Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best window cleaner that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Safely Glass Cleaner. If a high-end candle and a great glass cleaner had a baby, the result would be this amazing smelling product from Safely, a company co-founded by Kris Jenner. Ingredients like coconut oil and mineral salts help quickly break down dirt and grime on glass surfaces. In our tests, we found it a little less drippy to use than other liquids when dispensed as a spray. It can also be dispensed as a stream for a more targeted application. It left our glass clean and streak-free with minimal wiping. The Rise scent of Safely is a fresh fragrance, while the new Calm variety has floral undertones. Although this brand costs a bit more than some other cleaners, our testers thought it was worth the price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner. Hope's Perfect Glass lives up to its name, shining windows and other glass surfaces with fewer strokes than other brands our experts tested. The alcohol in this product is the secret sauce. It evaporates quickly without extra buffing or leaving streaks behind. It's also safe to use to freshen up the glass screens on monitors, tablets and phones. Just be sure to spray it on your cloth rather than directly on the device. Hope's has a slightly higher price point than some competitors, but the time and effort you save and its versatility make it a cost-effective choice. At number 3, we have the Invisible Glass Cleaner Spray. True to its name, this cleaner leaves glass surfaces looking so flawless that it'll look practically invisible. We think it's pretty impressive that this powerful foaming formula removes smudges, fingerprints, smoke haze, and more. It's also highly effective on tough stains like mud, bird droppings, and tape residue. Because it doesn't contain any ammonia, it's safe to use on tinted windows, auto glass, boats, and stainless steel appliances. Invisible comes in a 32-ounce spray bottle island and is reasonably priced. It goes on as a fine mist, so you don't have to worry about it dripping onto your windowsill or floor. Plus, it doesn't contain any soaps, scents, or dyes that leave streaky residue behind. Keep in mind that Invisible is formulated with synthetic chemicals, however, and some people find the smell to be a bit strong and off-putting. Still, it works like magic, leaving behind clean mirrors and spotless windows. Our tip? To fully remove streaks, whip out a microfiber cloth and do a little buffing. We think you'll be pleased with the results. At number 2, we have the Windex Glass and Window Cleaner. Windex is one of the most popular brands of glass cleaners on the market, and it's for good reason. It works on all sorts of glass surfaces, but it's incredibly effective at cleaning mirrors that immediately show and amplify smudges, fingerprints, and specks of dirt. Even though its formula contains ammonia, it uses much less than it used to and doesn't give off a pungent chemical smell. This allows the glass cleaner to cut through dirt and grime more efficiently without irritating the user. Just make sure you still use it in a well-ventilated area. And if you'd rather avoid the chemical altogether, you can opt for the ammonia-free version instead. What we particularly like about Windex's glass cleaner is that it's available in many different versions to suit your specific cleaning needs. If you find yourself going through it at warp speed, it's available in a large 1-gallon container so you can refill existing spray bottles, which, by the way, are made with recycled ocean-bound plastic. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sprayway Glass Cleaner Aerosol Spray. Its name might seem like an exaggeration, but the Sprayway World's Best Glass Cleaner actually works wonders, and professional cleaners and homeowners alike are avid fans. It stands out because its foam formula sticks to dirt and grime and won't run down windows or mirrors, which saves you from having to scrub for ages. It only takes a few gentle wipes with a microfiber cloth to reveal gleaming glass surfaces in no time. Although it works for everyday cleaning jobs too, this foam glass cleaner is best for heavy-duty messes in and outside of your home. It can tackle the dirty outdoor table that you need to clean after a barbecue and grimy kitchen appliances that have been splattered with cooking oil. With its impressive cleaning power, This product was definitely a runner-up for the best overall spot on our list. We just wish it wasn't an aerosol, which can have a negative impact on the planet. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.